To find the dimensions of the largest open top storage bin with a square base and vertical sides that can be made from 108 feet squared. So I just saw largest bin. So I'm going to maximize volume of, looks like square base. This way. That's not the best picture, is it? Think this out. Alright, not the most beautiful thing, but square base. So my base, we'll call this B, we'll call this B, and then we'll call this H, and they're both B's because it's a square base. So the volume would equal base squared times height. And since we're optimizing right now, I have two variables, so there must be information that was given that I did not use. The information given was 108 feet squared. So let's come off to the side here. If that's what makes the shape, that must be surface area. The surface area open top means there's a base, which would be the area of the base is base squared plus 4 sides that are all the same, base times height. So each of these sides, the area would be base times height. The surface area was 108. That gives me plus 4 the h. The easiest variable to solve for is going to be the h, so I'm going to do 108 minus b squared divided by 4b is equal to h. So we're going to substitute that in. I'm going to move over a little. I might not have space. So b squared times 108 minus b squared all over 4b. I'm going to cancel that b. You want to simplify if you can. So I get b times 108 minus b squared over 4. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pull out the 1/4 in front. I'm going to multiply out the b, so I get 1/4 times 108b minus b cubed. And really, if you want, 108 divided by 4, 25, 27, b minus 1/4 b cubed. And yes, there were many different ways you could simplify that guy. So here we go. I'm going to make a little room. Now that that is as simplified as possible, I'm going to go to the next page and finish the problem. So paste that guy. I think. Oh, clipboard, move over. All right, so we have the volume. Take the derivative. We get 27 minus 3/4 b squared. Set that equal to 0. B prime cannot equal undefined. So I get that b squared is equal to 27 times 4 thirds. 9, so 36. B equals plus or minus 6. Now, if we're talking about real life, we know that the base can't be negative, so I'm only going to use positive. Other things I want to think about, could the base be 0? No, because then we wouldn't have a shape. So when I do my sign chart, I'm going to start from 0. I'm not going to use negative values. I'm not going to use 0. I don't need to really do that, but I will. And then substitute in a number. Let's put in 1. And I'm substituting that back into the derivative. So if I substitute in 1, I get that this is positive. And this is negative. So this would be my max b value is 6. Now let me go back. It asked me for the dimensions. So the dimensions would be if the base is 6, then the height would be, let's go back again and find that the height is this formula here, which I'm going to steal over. Put that there. And so my height would be 108 minus 36 all over 24, which gets me 3. So the base is 6 by 6.